The number, the quantity that can just go on the table. The rest you can just open the box and open it so that the time is faster. Chief, she said, so push it so that I can. Listen, you can the back end, you cannot sit on. You can.
On Friday, 15th November, during routine examination of the container by customs officers in the presence of the declarant and the agent, the importer's representative at the Golden Jubilee Terminal, the customs examination team discovered 53 sidearms, 74 magazines, and 65 live ammunition concealed in 3 different suitcases. The customs examination team immediately notified the Ghana Revenue Authority Intelligence and Investigation Unit and the preventive unit of the Customs Division of the incident. Following the notification, personnel of GRA Intelligence and Investigation Unit and the Customs Preventive Unit arrived at the scene and confirmed the 53 sidearms, the 74 magazines, and 65 live ammunition concealed in 3 different suitcases. The firearms, magazines, and the live ammunition were seized. Additionally, all other items in the container were thoroughly examined and detained for further investigations. Also, the agent and the consignee representative were also arrested and interrogated on the seized items. The suspect was subsequently transferred to the Marine and Railway Police Station Tema for further investigations. Assignment in the container were declared as vehicles and personal effect without declaring the sidearms, magazines, and the live ammunition. The non-declaration and the concealment on the firearms and magazines and live ammunition amount to smuggling and concealment of weapons in contravention of Section 138 of Customs Act 2015, Act 891. It is worthy of note that all importers requiring to import firearms and ammunition into the country must first obtain license and permit from the Ministry of Interior before the import. Any person who therefore import firearms and ammunition without the requisite license or permit commits an offense. I want to take this opportunity to educate the general public that